Hey everybody, Mo Arnaiz here, co-founder and CEO with Weeldi. First off, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope your 2023 is off to a great start. What I want to do today is share with you a new enhancement that we're super excited about, that we believe and are getting feedback from our customers is going to be extremely valuable. And it's the ability to log in and take a look at an automation as it runs in real time on the cloud. And the reason why this is important is because when automations are built on Wildy, they're recorded by the customer using a Chrome extension that runs in their Chrome browser on their desktop. And what that means is the experience they get on the website they're building the automation for is based off of Chrome. It's based off of their desktop operating system, potentially their network configuration, potentially the region they're accessing the website from. And then they take that automation and they deploy it, and it runs in Amazon's AWS cloud, which is also super important because rather than restricting them to only being able to run the automation on their desktop, so one at a time, they can now run several hundreds or thousands at once in the cloud, which helps them reach scale faster and accomplish their tasks in a timely manner. Now, what this does is it can create some challenges for troubleshooting because they're troubleshooting based off of their desktop experience. However, the automation runs in Amazon's AWS cloud. Today, they'll now have the ability to log in and take a look at that automation as it runs in Amazon and better identify any issues that maybe they didn't experience when they recorded that on their desktop or as they access it to troubleshoot on their desktop that they now see as it runs in Amazon's cloud. And what we'll do here is I'll show you a simple automation that we have that we utilize here at Wildy to pull an invoice for a vendor that does our website online chat. So I'll go ahead and hit play to run this. You'll see it'll go to in queue. So it's automatically gaining a position in queue. And you'll see at the top the progress bar. So it's going to the Formula website. And down here, you have the instructions on exactly what's happening. So it's logging in. And as it logs in, I can see exactly what's happening in Amazon's AWS environment. This is not my desktop. So we see a pop up. The Wildy engine automatically knows to close those. And now it's going to go ahead and try to navigate to the invoice and download the invoice. Now, if for any reason it ran into a problem, you now have a clear view of exactly what the problem looked like. Maybe it's different than what you experienced on your desktop, could have possibly presented a CAPTCHA, is now requiring two-factor authentication. Maybe the page looks slightly different. So now you can see what you're running into. This was completed successfully. So if that happens, that's great. That's the result we're looking for. You could just quickly go in to see results and also access that invoice here very quickly. But this is the enhancement. Very excited about how this is going to shrink the amount of time it takes customers to troubleshoot automations on our platform. Thanks everybody for your time. And again, have a great 2023.